Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling subtitles on the YouTube app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the video that you want to add subtitles on, tap on the three dots button in the top right corner of the video. In the menu that appears, tap on Captions. Then tap on English. This will show you the subtitles that the video publisher has published. However, if the video publisher has not added subtitles, then you will have the option to use auto-generated subtitles. They may not be completely correct though. To turn off subtitles, tap on the three dots button in the top right corner again, and then tap Captions, and then tap Off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.